The double box plot shows the test scores of 2 students. Use the information in the graph to complete the table. Here's Amy, here's Ed. Find the median for both, the interquartile range for both, and the range for both. Circle the answer best supported by the information in the double box plot shown above. A, Ed has a higher, más grande, median score than Amy. Ed has a larger, más grande, interquartile range, IQR, than Amy. Amy has a lower, minimum score than Ed. The range for Amy's test grades is greater, más grande, than the range for Ed's test grades. Choose one of these that's true. What percent of the data is found in the box? Number 2. A survey was conducted to determine the types of occupations of the 1,200 residents of a town. The type of occupations are shown in the circle graph. Here are my occupations or jobs. Based on the circle graph, how many more residents have an occupation in industry than have an occupation in government? How many more have an occupation in industry than have an occupation in government? Number 3, complete the table for the dot plot shown. The dot plots show the number of miles run per week for 2 different classes. We have Class A and Class B, mode, range, and median. Class A, Class B. Once you have completed the table, circle the answer that is best supported or true by the graph. Both classes have data that is symmetric. The mode for Class A is greater, is más que mode for Class B. The mode for Class A is greater than the mode for Class B. The range for Class B is greater than the range for Class A. The median for Class A is less than, es menos que, the median for Class B. Students were surveyed to determine their favorite type of animals. The bar graph shows the number of students who selected each type of animal. Fish, lizard, bird, dog, cat. What percentage of the students surveyed selected bird as their favorite type of animal? For the bonus, a garden contains 50 plants. The number of tomato plants is twice, doble, the number of bell pepper plants. The tomato plants are twice the number of bell pepper plants. The number of cucumber plants is the same as the number of watermelon. Cucumber es igual de watermelon. The remainder of the garden consists of squash plants. The circle graph shows the percentages of some of the types of plants in the garden. Some of these are missing. Use this information. Find these. Show your work in determining the percent for each section. 2 points each. Watermelon, cucumber, and tomato. Determine if the statement below is true or false. Write a sentence explaining your reasoning. Over 50% of the graph are tomatoes and bell peppers. Is that true or false? You are justifying your answer in words.